All right, so this has been a video I've been thinking about making for a long time. We've been doing this channel for a little over 6 years, probably getting closer to 7 years. And we started off doing pretty good, growing pretty quick. About the first, I don't know, within the first year, I've gained probably 80% of my subscribers we have right now. And then all of a sudden something kind of happened with YouTube and promotion of our videos. It just kind of stopped. And we saw other YouTubers in the same niche go crazy on the views, getting to millions of views every video, and that kind of pushed everybody else down. And so we kind of stuck with it. We got some pretty rare rations and some pretty rare MREs in, and had some pretty abysmal views on those, and spent a lot of money on this channel, a lot of money. So pretty much we had the other channels making good money, the BMW channel making crazy money, the Porsche channel doing okay, and we kind of taking some money from that and feeding this channel for years. And my sister started working for me for a short time. The views were up, everything was up, but so was money going out. It took money to pay her to do that, and we're ratcheting up MREs, spending hundreds of dollars per MRE. Many months we'd spend $1,000 to $2,000 on MREs, and ordering stuff from different countries. But in the midst of all that, we always had some FDA issues, occasional threat, and they were hitting other YouTubers by importing. They call it smuggling, but it's importing meat or food from other countries that aren't taxed via eBay, via Amazon, whether we knew somebody that sent us stuff, whatever. And so that's been a constant battle also. So in 2022, this channel made $10,000, all right? A lot of you guys are like, oh, you should stop bitching, that's a lot of money. Well, the best we could figure, there was about $13,000 went out for this channel. That doesn't make any sense. So, we got a few sponsor items come through. We did those. They did pretty good. The issue is the CPM, which is the cost per million, which is cost per thousand, is very low in this niche. And it's a little less than half of what car videos do. And so that last video on the TPMRE stuff, we got basically 23,000 views in that video. And that was over Christmas time with the highest CPM. They made $100 for 22,000 views. On another video, on a car video, on a lottery video especially, that would have been, I don't know, $800-900, somewhere in there. I'd run the math on it. It'd been a lot of money for that same effort. We've also noticed that YouTube doesn't like military anything. They don't like military, they don't like you talking about it. They don't like anything to do with that at all. And therefore, they don't like to promote that kind of stuff. And we see that a lot too. So, as you guys notice, I posted a couple of finance videos. I like doing finance stuff. I like that niche. That niche pays a lot of money. That was met with some extreme criticism. However, that was met with extreme criticism by people that have no idea how YouTube works, how money works, how anything works at all, in any way, shape, or form. And it was also met with some positivity by some people that do, and some regular viewers. If we're watching Cletus McFarlane, Heavy D, or one of those guys, the big YouTubers, and they put a video I don't like, I don't prefer, I never once crossed my mind to go on there and yell at the person in the comments. Like, what the hell kind of nonsense is that? That being said, I rarely ever comment. I just not the kind of person to do that. You know, it's rare. But I want to thank a lot of the guys on here that stuck with us. You know, John Magnum, all those guys, so many. Old Smokey's been with us for a very long time. Delicious. I mean, the list goes on and on. I'm missing 1,000 people. Christine, Art and Nina, you know, has been very supportive through this for the whole deal. So we come to a crossroads here of what to do with this channel. This channel is monetized as, well, I don't know how many subscribers, 40-some thousand subscribers on it, I think. Without looking, I have no idea. Somewhere around there. And, you know, it's revenue's just in the gutter right now. I mean, it's like $200 a month this channel's making. It doesn't make sense to go out and spend another $1,000 on MREs. So we still have some stuff here to do. You know, I put off making this video for a few weeks here to try to figure out just what's what. Over the holidays, we had a huge December for revenue and for views on all the other channels, but not this one. This one's only gone down. No bump from the holidays, no bump from anything. So I need you guys to tell me what to do here. We have several different options. One is to delete all the videos, try to re-rank this channel as a finance channel or something else, I don't know. The other thing is to mix in some finance stuff with MRE stuff and hopes that it does what the BMW channel did with the lottery videos, where it ranked crazy money on lottery videos and it still kept doing about the same on BMW stuff, but that allowed me to go further with that channel, you know, by shifting the algorithm to something else with what we're doing already. You know, that's kind of what we're looking at, or do something totally different. I'll tell you right now, food videos do not pay a lot of money. That is the bottom paying niche out there anywhere. It's also the most flooded. You know, we tried to do the cooking videos. We try to maybe use that as a reference to bring in some more viewership, to bring up funds so we keep going. That also was met with heavy criticism. I'm not watching the videos. You're fat, you're stupid, you're ignorant, you know, all that same stuff. I don't care. I don't care about that at all, but some people's gonna gripe no matter what. But I'm calling all my good friends that watch this channel, people we stay in touch with for years and years. You know, throw some ideas at me in the comments. What should we do? We cannot keep going like we've been going on this channel. It's basically just lighting money on fire every week that goes by with this. Every ration that I buy, we're just burning money. And it's not all about money, but it has to make financial sense. If it doesn't make financial sense, what is the effort? Why is it worth the effort to keep doing this? It is a lot of effort. You know, we're paying Phil to edit the videos, to do all this other stuff, and money's just pouring out and just trickling in. And so, you know, this year we're trying to cut off some of the bleeding as far as the outgoing and try to make a little smarter decisions on the money that's coming in to spool that up. Now, the other angle of this is, as a lot of you know, I've been on a nearly sugar-free and bread-free diet for over a year. I was having a lot of health issues before with blood pressure, a lot, and didn't feel good 99% of the time. And so I can't physically eat stuff that I used to be able to eat. I can't, a lot of you are on me, not a lot of you, very few of you are on me about this. Do you eat all this food or you throw it away and waste it? If I ate every MRE that I've ever done, I would be dead. I would literally be dead. When you see somebody else doing reviews and they do one review every 3 months and they eat the whole ration, that's a different deal. You know, we've done I don't know how many reviews, 400 or something crazy like that. 400 MREs. If I 400 MREs, over 400 I believe, I'd be dead years ago. Was that the cause of my extreme high blood pressure and all the issues I was having? It very well could be. So you notice the last 30, 40 videos I did, I tried to limit myself to just like one bite of the food. I don't go any further than that because it's extremely dangerous for anybody to consume that kind of salt. And you know, that's the situation. But I don't know. We had to make this video. I had to make this video and tell you guys what's going on. If you see me doing some finance videos or something, dial back the hate. We're just trying to like figure out what to do. That's a high paying niche. We landed on making a couple of videos on that because I thought, well, that's actually useful information for you guys. And some of you guys don't want to invest anything, don't want to do anything, but a lot of you guys do. And we saw that in the comments. You know, a lot of people are very appreciative of trying to show you some kind of guidance on finances for 2023. But yeah, I'm babbling on and on and on. Let me know what you guys think. That's where we're at with this channel. And yeah, we'll hope to see you very soon. And I'll read through all the comments on this one. We're going to take in serious consideration what the audience wants, what the audience thinks. That's going to be it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.